Hello everyone, and welcome to this episode of InterSeason.life YouTube channel, where we are mature plant munchers, just trying to eat more plants, whatever that looks like for you. Absolutely no judgment. So today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite summer recipes using noodles and vegetables and just enough for one and maybe a friend. So thanks for joining me. Let's go to the kitchen. I love cooking from scratch and big, beautiful purple cauliflower like this, but for this dish, we're going to make it easy and just use a bag of rainbow cauliflower. Trim your cauliflower and feel free to add what other leftovers you'd like to add. Maybe some broccoli, maybe some carrots. This is a great dish to use up vegetables. An alternative is to use purple cauliflower and soybeans. We are going to roast them, so let's get ready. I love this recipe because it's part warm, part cold. We're just going to roast these for 10 minutes in the oven. In this picture, we have the multicolored cauliflower, and I threw in some green chickpeas from Sprouts because basically that's what I had. We need noodles for this dish, so I tend to go to Costco and get yakisoba noodles or these udon noodles. Both work fine because we're just going to microwave them for 5 minutes or as the package instructions. But boom, we are done, and we're going to mix them with our vegetables. Absolutely no product endorsement here. Use whatever you have, whatever your store has. You need an Asian noodle that comes with some sauce. Even look in your freezer section. Place your roasted vegetables into a mixing bowl. Add whatever warmed up noodle mixture you're going to use. And then, take some scissors and snip away. Just makes it so much easier to toss. And toss. And feel free to then add what other spices or toppings you want. I had some Asian style toppings with Crispies. I added those in, plated, and we were ready for lunch. Alternatively, you can roast those purple cauliflowers and some soybeans, toss them in a little bit of sesame oil and furikake and serve over white rice or the noodles. Alternatively, you can add some more protein with some of the plant-based products that are out there. This just happens to be one of my favorite, and you toss it in and add it to the dish, and it looks like this. This version was a little more green with broccoli and some asparagus. And don't be afraid to try different things. We served the same noodles and everything inside of some scallion pancakes we got at Trader Joe's. It was divine. Add some microgreens and it just makes it even more healthier. Always remember that eating more plants is just plain creative, colorful, climate-friendly, cost-effective, clean, community-building, and honestly, just plain cool. So be a cool, mature plant muncher. Eat more plants, whatever that looks like. Thanks for joining me today and watching this video. I hope you got a nice pulled together recipe for one or two. Watch a couple of my other videos that I have regarding just eating more plants, particularly those who are what I call mature plant munchers, people who just want to eat more plants, whatever your age. It's never too early to start eating more plants. Thanks for watching. See you next time.